Here she is. 67 Camaro. She's been in storage for a year and a half. Trying to bring her back to life again. Just gonna clean her off, give her a little run time. Got our little LS 5.3 aluminum, ported 243 heads, S480 turbo, a BTR stage 2 turbo cam, stock truck head, or stock truck throttle body, stock truck intake, just been smoothed and hydro dipped. Dirty Dingo alternator kit, get it down and over. Got a manual rack and pinion steering on her with a wheel wood. These old brakes, 14-inch 6-piston wheel woods. All Chris House and Chassis Works suspension. Still got full interior, nice comfortable seats. I made a fiberglass console. That'll get new gauges up in the dash soon, since all the other ones could be removed. Got the Holley Dominator, little touch screen there. She got her 31 by 18.5 Hoosier QuickTime Pros on the back. And a nice little wing that also doubles as a work shelf. Not that I would ever use it as a work shelf. Poor girl. Alright. Let's see if the Eddie 85 has killed the old girl. Swing outs, which I highly recommend. got next to us here that you see, the old 96 ZR1 Pro Mod. Again, we'll also be getting the LS53 turbo treatment. Well, I'm not saying will be, it is. I'll give you a little sneak peek. And that's enough for this show. I will update a little bit more information on the other car later. Let me know if you guys have questions about this car, the 67 Camaro. I actually have still not named the old girl. I really do need to start thinking about that. So far we were thinking about might as well, since it seems like every step of the way we've said we might as well step it up here, there, in the next place. That's how we got a Fab 9 rear end, the whole turbo setup, the big brake setup, so it handles, it can stop, and it can take off pretty good. The last time on this new E85 tune, I drove it to Atco. She did a 980 at 140, drove it home. All I did was change the tire pressure on the rear tires. And next time out, I'm going to start, since that run, actually, I've switched from the steel block with stock 862 heads to this aluminum block with the forged Wiseco pistons, K1 rods, and some little home ported 243s. Just cleaned up the spots that need to be cleaned up, nothing drastic. And then bumped up from the stage 1 to the stage 2 turbo cam. And then went to the manual rack and pinion steering. So this, realistically, I dropped about 250 pounds off the nose of it and added about 100 horsepower to her. Now my limitation is going to be the fuel pump on E85, the Aeromotive A1000 in-tank. I think it was called the, I'll think of it in a moment, but it's the black one that's in the tank. The Eliminator, I think it was called. So it looks like I'm gonna stick a second pump in there, a little Walbro 450 that I'll probably run on full time, and then have it on the Holly Dominator to turn on the big pump once I pass probably 5 or 8 pounds of boost or so. So hopefully the next time this old girl goes out, we'll set it right back at the same boost, and maybe even just a tad bit more. And I'm really hoping for that 899 drive there, run my 899 and drive it home. This is it for today. This is Big T with the 67 blue turbo Camaro. And then here shortly I'll make another video letting you know a little bit more information about that old girl over there. Alright, you guys have a good one, and we'll see you next time.